You ever get that feeling? That itch that says you need to make some massive, life-altering decision to get where you want to go? Well, what if this secret isn't some huge, dramatic leap? What if real, lasting change comes from something way smaller, something you do every single day? That's what we're diving into today. 6 tiny habits that can, believe it or not, completely reshape your life. And this quote, this really gets to the heart of it all. It's such a powerful idea because it goes against everything we're usually told, right? We hear go big or go home all the time. But the truth is, the real engine for change isn't some grand, once-in-a-lifetime event. Nope, it's the quiet, consistent stuff you do day in and day out. So first, let's talk about what I like to call the big change myth. We're going to break down why our instinct to go for these huge, sweeping transformations so often just fizzles out. And we'll uncover a much smarter, much more effective way to actually grow.
I mean, just look at this. It lays out the 2 paths perfectly. On the left, you've got your big decisions. Trying to change everything at once it's overwhelming. It's the kind of thing you might attempt once a year, and the sheer size of it makes it almost impossible to even begin. But then look over on the right. Small habits. Now we're talking. These are manageable. They're daily, and the best part, they are so ridiculously easy to start, you kind of have no excuse not to.
Okay, so if small habits are the way to go, what does that actually look like, in the real world? In this next part, we're going to walk through a super simple 6-step blueprint you can literally start using tomorrow morning. So here it is, 6 steps. It's that simple. First, you wake up and drink a glass of water. And this is key, before you touch your phone and let the world rush in. It's like your first win of the day. Second, plan your one thing. This isn't your giant to-do list. It's about finding that single most important task that will make today feel like a success. Third, move your body. We're not talking a marathon here, just 10 minutes. A quick walk, a few stretches, anything. Fourth, learn one small new thing. A word, a fact, anything to keep that curiosity alive. Fifth, clean one space. Your desk, the kitchen counter. It's amazing how a little physical order brings so much mental clarity. And finally, you close out the day with a moment of reflection. See? It's a simple little loop of intention and review. Now I know what you might be thinking looking at that list. Really? A glass of water and 10 minutes of stretching is going to change my life? And that brings us to the most important piece of the puzzle, the magic that happens when you do it over and over and over again. And it's all about momentum. Seriously, think of it like pushing one of those huge, heavy flywheels at a playground. That first push, it barely does anything. It feels useless. But you give it another push the next day, and the next, and the next, and pretty soon, that wheel is spinning so fast you can't stop it. That's exactly what these tiny habits do for your life. And what does all that momentum get you? Well, it's not just one thing. The benefits start to stack on top of each other. By picking your one thing every single day, you're building incredible focus. By sticking to the routine, even on days you don't want to, you're forging real discipline. And by proving to yourself day after day that you can keep a promise to yourself, you build this deep, unshakable confidence. This right here might be the most important takeaway. Just let it sink in. Stop putting all this pressure on yourself to invent a whole new life by next Tuesday. It's not about that. It's just about making your daily actions a little bit better. If you can do that, the new life you're looking for will start to build itself. All right, we've talked about the why and the what. Now let's get to the most important part, how you can actually start this whole process, like today. It really just comes down to these 3 things. Start small. Seriously, don't try to do all 6 habits tomorrow. Just pick one. Just drink the glass of water. That's it. Then stay consistent. Do it the next day, and the day after that. And then just watch what happens. The transformation isn't some event you plan. It's a process that unfolds right before your eyes. And so, we're going to end with that final habit, which is also a kind of challenge for you. Tonight, before you fall asleep, just ask yourself this one simple question. Did I grow today? Even a tiny bit? Because if you can find a way to answer yes to that day after day, you're already on your way to some really profound change.